YouTube was good. Mr. Random checking back in. So today we're gonna show y'all how to create a playlist. So first you want to go to the main screen on your home page and you hit playlist. Now we under our playlist. You want to hit add new playlist. So once you do that, you're gonna go ahead on and create your title for your playlist. We're gonna call this one here LS Swap. Create. Now once you create the playlist, that's when you can go ahead on and add the video. So you click the add video. You want to click on your YouTube videos, and it'll bring up all your previous videos that you have made. And from there, you just go ahead on and make your selection of whatever you prefer. So I usually go about 3 10-minute long videos. I don't want to, scare people away by having too much and wasting too much of their time. So I do consider that. But we added one video already, and you just keep doing it over. You can add as many as you like. So we're gonna find another video that we made pertaining to the LS swap. I think it's best to put the videos in order, same order as your playlist as you uploaded them, so you can fill your audience in what's been going on and they're not all over the place and lost, So this is our second video that we added to our playlist, and we're gonna go ahead on and add this third LS swap video that was uploaded right behind the others that we just added. So we're gonna find another one. We got it right here, guys. Frame cleaning. So it's downloaded. We got our 3 videos right there, and that's how you create a playlist. Now we go back to our home page, go back to playlist, and as you can see, here goes our 3 video LS swap playlist that we just created. So we're gonna go ahead on and we clicked on it. This is our first video on our playlist. This is our second video on our playlist.
What's up? You hear me? Y'all better watch out for him. He's gonna spray y'all with that shit.
And this is our third video, guys. Gang, what's up, man? Mr. Random checking in. Today, y'all see, we got the monitor jacked up. So if you liked the video and found it helpful, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share. We will be back for more, guys. Mr. Random, y'all have a good day.
View looking good. That's good.